Consider this. If you were lending your own money to a friend, you'd want to make sure you'll get paid back. You'd probably wonder, have they paid their past debts on time? How much debt do they already have? And who else are they approaching for the loan? FICO scores help lenders answer these same questions every day, but through a mathematical formula that makes the lending decisions faster, safer, and more fair. So, it's really important you understand how your credit activities and behaviors are considered when calculating FICO scores. FICO scores focus on 5 key predictive categories: your payment history, how much you owe, how long you've had credit, if you've recently sought new credit, and the types of credit you've used. Clearly, your payment history and level of debt substantially drive your FICO score. Have you missed payments? If so, how often, how recently, and how late were they? Have you had debts turned over to a collection agency? Do you have tax liens, judgments, foreclosures, or have you filed for bankruptcy? The more recent, frequent, and severe the reported negative items are, the bigger the impact on your score. Next, there's the debt you're already carrying. Are your credit cards nearly maxed out? How many accounts with balances do you have? How much of your available credit is being used? If you're overextended, you're more likely to miss future payments. Then there's how long you've had established credit, from your oldest to your newest account, and an average age of all your accounts. FICO scores also consider how often you've actively applied for credit in the past year. Rate shopping doesn't count against you, nor do promotional, consumer disclosure, insurance, or employment inquiries. Whenever you apply for credit, there's a good chance your lender is using a FICO score to help make that approval decision. So it's important that you understand your FICO scores, because it could help you know whether you qualify for low rates on your next loan. Know your FICO scores. Understand what goes into your scores.